My name is Junghwa Lee. I'm the chair of the Department of Communication at the University of North Dakota. The purpose of this summit is to help and support high school students around North Dakota to become better communicators with the digital content and digital media.
I would say my favorite part was seeing where everyone came from day one. Everybody pretty much came alive. Just seeing the group collaborate and get work done was pretty fun. It was fun staying in the dorm again too.
I think my favorite part of camp was when we went to WDAY. It was really cool to see the setup and how everything runs.
I think my favorite part of the actual work was probably getting to go film and learning how the camera works, because I've used cameras before, but I've never really gone to the technical aspect. And I kind of learned that I really like to work with cameras. I didn't really know that before. I liked being in front of a camera and speaking, but now I realize I actually like the actual filming aspect of that, so I thought that was cool.
I would say the friendships I made along the way, because I don't think I've ever grown close to such a large amount of group of people this quickly.
As you know, nowadays everyone can use digital media and everyone can create digital content. But how to use digital media and how to create better content are different story. And that's why our department started to host the Digital Storytelling Summit last summer. And we want to make this summit our department's annual summer event for high school students.
My name is Emily Buteau. I have had the great pleasure of getting to know them this week. I was thinking last night of 3 words that I could use to describe this group of students, and this is what I came up with. First, I think these students are very curious. They have a lot of questions, which is awesome. That will serve you so well in any field you go into. And that leads into my next word, which is creative. Of course, to be a storyteller, you have to be creative. And then finally, the last word I came up with is brave. They have great ideas and they're not afraid to share them, and I love that. And so I think all of these students are on their way to becoming great storytellers.